Hi, my name is Ujjaini. I'm a language and communication therapist at My Whole Child. Today, I'm going to be talking about an aspect in communication that is expanding vocabulary and spontaneous talk. As we know, sometimes kids have very limited vocabulary or would use some pre-recorded scripts that they have been hearing over the time or that has been taught to them. So they find it very difficult to move beyond yes and no answers or build a conversation around their favorite topic even. Sometimes it is not just about the limited vocabulary, it is also about how to fetch words in our conversation while talking, while listening, or while joining in. So I'm going to be telling you about few games and activities that you can do at home with your kids to enhance their vocabulary. The one activity that you can do with more younger kids who have few idea about the function feature class of common items is a bingo game. So as we know, bingo has a lot of chits involved and squares that we make where we write different words that can you find something that can be worn on your hat at a party. So it's a party hat. So we can modify that game and keep chits based on a specific theme that the child enjoys. So it could be around a picnic day or a beach day or a birthday party where the parent or the caregiver can ask them about questions surrounding a birthday party. So for example, you ask your child something sweet that we eat on our birthday and we cut it. It has candles on top. So there can be pictures of a cake on the page as well for them to circle. Or they can write the word or they can say the answer. That way they learn a lot of description about the single words that they see around them. Another game that they can play is using sheets of paper and pencil. In this game, the kids can draw something from their imagination. For example, I can say, okay, today we are going to design a new mobile phone. As we know, all our kids are very techno savvy. So all kids can come up with different ideas of what they can expect as apps on the mobile phone or features on the mobile phone. That way the thinking skills also comes in and they also draw and have something concrete in front of them to add to the conversation. Do try these two games and it would help them come up with new ideas and engage in spontaneous talk. For more videos on language, play and therapy, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Whole Child.